Good morning. Time now is about 6:44, and we are waking up to cloudy skies, but we're going to stay dry today. Let's take a look outside right now on the Illinois River, which continues to rise into moderate flood stage today. The good news is, though, we're going to be dry for a good chunk of the weekend. Now, let's talk about the dangers of flooding. We've been talking about it pretty much the entire newscast. So when we see a lot of very heavy rainfall fall in a very short amount of time, the ground just can't absorb it. So the dangers of it is just 1 foot of water can lift a vehicle. Adding 2 feet to it with moving water, it can sweep most vehicles away, including those heavy SUVs and those pickup trucks as well. So why we're so concerned about it is because each year more deaths occur from flooding than lightning, hail, and tornadoes. So it's very deadly is the flood threat for us. And unfortunately for us, even though the rain has stopped, those rivers, they're going to continue to rise. So that's why it's so important to remember, don't attempt to drive through any flooded roadways. Don't go past those barricades because you simply just don't know how deep that water truly is. Here's what we're seeing right now, though. Flood warning showing from Lakin down to Peoria, down to Havana, basically along the entire length of the Illinois River right now here in our viewing area is under a flood warning. Peoria is expected to get to about a moderate flood stage here for us. So let's talk about what's going to happen, though, in Havana. They're expected to see major flooding there. They're right now sitting about 17.9 feet, but as we go into next week on Wednesday afternoon and evening, they're going to crest in the major category at about 26.5 feet. That's going to shut down some local fields. That's going to overtop some levees, flooding out some of those more rural fields out there. Looking at our local temperatures, though, seeing 49 right now here in Peoria, 50 in the Lincoln area. Jet stream, though, this is what we're going to see, though. We're going to see a bit of a break this weekend. Then the active weather pattern begins again as we see a cutoff low forming in the upper levels of the atmosphere. And what this means is there's going to be several disturbances that are going to move along this jet stream as we go into Wednesday and then another one going into next week. That could give us additional rainfall. So looking at the rest of our forecast, we are going to see 67 for today, for rather your Saturday, then 73 on Sunday, and then those rain chances arrive once again going into the middle part of next week. Right now, too early to talk about those rainfall amounts, but it is going to slow the receding of our area rivers, guys.
All right, certainly a lot going on.
Just too much rain, Joe. Enough's enough.
How tall's your grass?
I was telling one of our producers before the show this morning, my grass is like Little Shop of Horrors right now. Like, it's ready to eat.
Yeah, this is the weekend to get out there and do some mowing as we finally get a little bit of a break this weekend.
My wife's watching, Joe. Thanks.
Mm-hmm.